I've already done my face makeup, my foundation, concealer and setting powder just to save a little bit of time. Just to bronze out my skin, I'm going to grab the Misslyn Beach Please bronzer. Cutest packaging in the world. And to add some bit of colour back in our face, I'm using the Lifes of Peach by L'Oreal. I really like this, mainly because I really enjoy products that smell. To highlight our skin, I'll be going with the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in Snap. I wanted a little bit of a golden shade. See? Alright, now my base is actually set down and done. I'm going to go with eyes now, so I will zoom you in, but the eyeshadow we're going in with is the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the ultimate un-Christmassy eyeshadow palette because it's mainly purples and mauves, but like I'm looking at like that shade just here, this gold shade, and like the burgundy, and I was like, let's do something a little bit different for Christmas, so I'm gonna zoom you in. And now we're going in with the shade, I'm gonna start with the shade Incense, which is that neutral brown shade. I'm just gonna buff that all into my socket area so it's really blown out. After I feel like I blended it out quite a bit, I'm grabbing a clean blending brush and just really blurring out these edges just so it's really, really clean and blurry. Clean and blurry. Next shade we're going to take is the shade Passion. And it is quite dark and these shadows are extremely pigmented, so I'm using a very light hand. I'm going to go right in the outer crease or outer corner and then bring it into the crease, but like really softly, hopefully. That color on there, I'm going to take the shade Eccentric, which is this warm brown shade, and I'm going to use a different brush and sort of blend that out just so that it makes that transition and the dark shade really smooth, so it's our go in between shade. Go between shade? Go between shade. Next up we're going in with the star of the show, and the gold shade is called Summer. Absolutely stunning, and I thought this sort of screamed goldy Christmas, so that's going all over. Like, I'm pretend cutting my crease with the shadow. I don't really want to go for that defined look, so we're gonna pretend cut the crease with the shadow. Now that that gold shade's on, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Passion, like that dark shade just here, and I'm gonna blend the gold and that shade back together. Alright, time for inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take the shade Dreamer, this one here, and I'm just gonna do my inner corner, and then I'm gonna take the shade Base for my brow bone highlight as well. The look needs a little bit of a liner, so I'm going to take the Tartist clay paint liner in black. I have a mini because I'm tight ass. So I'm just going to apply that, hope for the best. I'd actually never ever applied gel eyeliner before, so this should be a new experience for both of us. So I just applied some floaty lashes and then some mascara on my bottom lash line, and the eyes are now done. Alright, we're going with lips. I'm not using lipstick today because I really can't find a shade that I really want. We're going to stick with neutrals because I want something, like, because I'm wearing a red Christmassy shirt, I wanted something to be quite subdued and let like the outfit take hold. So I'm using the L.A Girl Endless Lip Liner in Natural. It is a natural shade. I'm lining and sort of filling in my lips with this shade. And sticking with the gold theme, the lip gloss I'm going in with is the My Little Pony cross like Colourpop Ultra Lippy in Flutter Valley. It is literally like a glittery gloss that's gold and it's so pretty. Okay guys, this was today's tutorial creating my not so classic but kind of classic Christmas holiday party makeup. Don't really know what to call it, so whatever the title says, just go with that. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed and have a great beautiful day, night, or wherever you are. Bye.